Very quick video to show you how to plot data in Excel, and particularly looking at bar graphs when you've got multiple possible data streams. So this is an example of some data from different groups and periods in the periodic table. We're looking at the name, the atomic number, the density, melting point, and the boiling point. And what I'm interested in is turning this data into various bar graphs. Okay, so the way to do that generally is, for example, if I wanted to plot how a bar graph of atomic number versus the name, all I'd have to do is simply click on the top of the first column there, okay, and then select the next column as well. So if I've got both of those things selected, I press Insert, and then this is the browser version, so it may look slightly different to the app, but you're really just looking somewhere over here to find what you want. You could either click directly on the bar graph or go in via here and then select the one that you wanted as well. I'm going to do it from here, and I end up with a graph of atomic number on the y-axis and the name on the x-axis. So that's what we're looking at here. We're looking at categoric data. So you've got the name on the bottom and then the number on the y-axis. Okay, now we might want to do multiple graphs, okay, and it can get a bit confusing. So I wanted to sort of just show you briefly how to do it. I'm going to move this guy out of the way, okay. Now the reason I put this picture up is because this button, the command button, is going to be your friend when you're doing this. The way to select multiple columns that are not next to each other is as follows. If I want to, for example, look at name, and instead of atomic number, I want to look at the density, all I have to do is, with having A selected, hold down the command button. Now I'm keeping it held down. You might have heard me pressing it there. And now I am clicking on this column C. Okay, I'm still holding down the command button. Okay, and then I'm going to let go, and you'll notice as I let go, it remains selected. What that's done is selected both of the columns that I want to consider. After that, it's just the same as the previous process. Insert, and then we get another chart there of density. Okay, and again, I can show you it one more time. I select column A, I hold down the command button, I press this column here, melting point. Okay, I'll go Insert, and I'll press that, insert my bar graph there. All right, so this is really a sort of Excel skill. Okay, and there's more we could do here with labeling, but it's the idea that if you've got your Excel graph nicely set out, then you will be able to analyze any of the data, okay, not just the columns that are next to each other. And really the key bit is the use of this command button. Okay, command allows you to select multiple data columns without losing any of that functionality. All right, hope that helps.